If you're a Leaving Cert student, especially one at a higher level, or even a higher level Junior Cert student, you might have seen this formula crop up about 1,000,001 times. This is, of course, the famous quadratic formula. Now, this is often stated by teachers with no real explanation as to where it actually comes from. So in this short video, I'm going to be showing you how this is derived. So firstly, we'll start with the generic quadratic equation that I have up the top here. So we're going to say let ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 for some a, b, and c in the real numbers, provided that a is non-zero. Now, a good trick to have here, and this is why I often love questions that say prove that or show that, is we're going to use a thing known as hindsight bias. So we're effectively going to build this quadratic formula up and everything will start to fall into place. So the first thing I'm going to do is a step that you might intuitively think of. I'm going to subtract c from both sides. So we'll start with ax squared plus bx equals negative c. Next, I'm going to multiply both sides by 4a. So times this side by 4a times this side by 4a, just so we get the minus 4ac. So here we have 4a squared x squared plus 4abx is minus 4ac. Next, I'm going to add the b squared to both sides. So we get the b squared minus 4ac popping up. So we'll have 4a squared x squared plus 4abx plus b squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Okay, great. Now, what's convenient about the left-hand side is this is just 2ax plus b squared. Because we have the first term squared will give us the 4a squared x squared. Twice the product is 4abx, and the b squared is b squared. So we can contract this and make it 2ax plus b squared equals b squared minus 4ac. Then from here, solving for x is pretty straightforward. I'm going to take a square root on both sides. Now, because the square root itself has some ambiguity, we include the plus minus. B squared minus 4ac square rooted. And then from here, the steps are pretty trivial. 2ax is negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac square rooted. So overall, x is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And that's the famous result we all know and love.